Hey, hello everyone. We are from Group 37, and the teammates are Jason Leong Sheng Jun. Next is Vetri, anak lelaki Yogan, and lastly Shannon Charlotte Langgi. Okay, from our program, we will read from the file, which is my input to txt. We will open file, and from there on, the program will read the file, and then it will see out whatever it is from the file. Okay, Jason.
Yeah, so for the preferences, we firstly put the output first, and then for the while loop, we use the prefer con so that we can control the loop. And then for the C out, we use preference one, and then we get line, and then when we get the line, we get the input from the user, we use the if. So if preference one is price, then we run the output and we get the user's price. And then else if preference one is RAM size, and so on. So please go down, please. So the same thing would apply for the second preference. So we use preference condition 2, and for that we use it for the loop and to control the loop. So we use C out, and then we get line, and then for if the get line user's input is price, and then yeah, it's the same as the previous one. So basically, can we scroll down? Yep. And then else if please scroll up, please scroll up. So if else prefer con if it's not any of these, and we use else prefer con 2 equals to 0, so basically it will loop again until the user enters the correct input. And then it's the same thing for the second the third preference. Yep, please scroll down. And then for this we use uh, the input file to manipulate the program. So we see out everything first, which is choose your phone of choice. So this for this section, which is choosing the best three phones. So using the while, if it's not end of file, then it will scan everything from the input file, and then if so, let's say preference one equals to price, preference two equals to price, preference three equals to price, and then we use the nested if for um everything, which is for in this case, which is for price, RAM and main camera. So after that, if we confirmed that everything, the preference for everything is correct, then we use up price, and for the up price, we have a range that is set by us so that everything is basically for when the user input the price, let's say 1500, within a range of 1000 it will be valid. And then the same as RAM, which is the range is 4, and then camera is 4 also. And then after that we see out the model that is qualified, and then for the best ones we use counter to count how many uh suggestion that we give, and then if it's more than 3 we will break the loop. And then please scroll down, and then for this is the same thing, but except is for price, RAM and battery capacity, and we use that for every combination for of preferences. All right. So scroll down a bit more. So this is the combination, and then of if if the counter is not enough, so that means that the suggestion is not enough. So basically we will force the suggestion based on what's the most important one, which is preference which is in order of preference 1, preference 2, and preference 3. And then we will basically use the condition of the same one as the previous one, which is a range of a certain range that we set for it to qualify. And then please scroll down. So after that, we will prompt the user to enter the choice of phone that they will choose. So once they choose the phone, it will be stored in P choice, and then for the ceiling value, it will be the maximum number or a maximum amount of money that the user will spend. So based on that, we clear the pointer again, and then using the while loop, please scroll down. Using the while loop, we if we will scan everything, and if the condition meets where phone choice equals to the model, we will use the remaining uh the formula and find the remainder of money left. And then for the accessories, we have put a fixed price on phone stand, screen protector, earphone, and phone cover. So we use the if statement and to find uh what can the user uh have based on the remainder that is left when buying the phone. And then after that, the user will know that he or she can choose the accessories that are given based on the remainder of money that they have. And then after that, my file dot close. So we close the file and return 0, and that's it at the end of the program. Thank you.